birthday. First five, presenting the players of Team Rumbang. Wearing jersey number 23, Alvin Mental. Wearing jersey number 22, Rojan Labiao. Wearing jersey number 21, Rodney Berdin. Wearing jersey number 27, Jolan Lord Melo. Wearing jersey number 9, Justin Macando. Wearing jersey number 13, Joshua Nalios. Wearing jersey number 1, Dan Michael Ismedia. Wearing jersey number 2, Josel Joy Melo. Wearing jersey number 7, Jerome Ismedia. Wearing jersey number 5, Joe Louis Nochete. Wearing jersey number 24, Hernan Jans Nochete. Wearing jersey number 25, Christian Dave Narciso. Wearing jersey number 3, Weldy Tongkawa Jr. Wearing jersey number 12, Carl Angelo Labiao. Wearing jersey number 26, Jetro Macando. Okay, number basketball 22. Okay. Number 22, Brian. Okay. Pass to number 5. Number 5, 3 minutes, 35 seconds. Number nasa clock 14, number 9. Running score 7-2 Rumbang. Number 17. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Shot clock 14. Number 8. And the set man number 7. Jump ball. Out of position. Anak ang San Juan Bullers.
Just please hold up your seats kaya in favor of Rumbang. Tatlo ulit. Number 22. The foul. 1 minute 15 seconds.
1 minute 15 seconds.
1 minute. Other segment number 4. Pasisira. At the points 1 minute 6 seconds. Jamaica 4 seconds. Investment. 4 seconds remaining time. Running score 72-26.